Dear students, just it is class 11th entrepreneurship. Last day I told you that what are the different sources of finance for any type of organization. I told you there are internal sources and there are external sources. Internal sources are the owner's capital. These are the personal source of income of the business, of the unit or the organization. And the external sources, these are the financial institutions or banks where from we get loans. Today, let us know that what are term loans. Dear students, as the term itself relates, reveals, the term loans are the loans which are taken for a definite period of time. टर्म यानी वो लोन जो एक खास मुद्दत के लिए लिया जाता है उसे टर्म लोन कहा जाता है. अब ये टर्म लोन जो है ये पीरियड की बुनियाद पर इसको हम 2 टाइप्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. दिस टर्म लोन बेस्ड ऑन द टाइम पीरियड फॉर विच it is being taken, we can divide it in 2 types: short term loan and long term loan. Short term loan, it is the loan which is being taken for a short period of time. And the long term loans, these are the loans which are being taken for a longer period of time. For example, the loan is, just I told you already that the loan is taken for 1 year. These are known as the short term loans. We take any loan from a bank, from a relative, from any financial institution for 1 year. This is known as short term loan. And long term loan, these are the loans which are being taken for a duration of 5 to 10 years or now 15 years. So these loans which are being taken from up to 15 years, these are known as long term loans. Long term loans, they are being raised, they are being taken to meet the financial requirements of enterprise. Whereas the short term loans, they are being taken to meet out the needs of working capital. Or we can say the fixed assets, they are being acquired by long term loans. Fixed term assets, just land, building, plant and machinery, or miscellaneous fixed assets comprising vehicles, furniture, fixture, office equipments, and so on. It is said that in case of the units which are being established in the backward areas, different loans are also being taken. They are apart from these, the loans which are being incurred or acquired for the fixed assets. They are land, building, land and site development, building and civil works, plant and machinery installation expenses. Sometimes what we do, if we are just dealing or opening, starting a manufacturing unit or any type of unit in far-flung area, here we need roads, railway siding, water supply, power connection. For such type of expenses, we again need some term loans or long-term loans, or just we expand our productive capacity or by replacing or adding to the existing equipments. हम कोई नई मशीनरी खरीदना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए हमें टर्म लोन वो हासिल टर्म लोन लेना चाहता है. अभी जो है टर्म लोन जो हैं वो इनके रेज करने के तरीके क्या हैं. पहला है इशू ऑफ शेयर्स. हम शेयर्स इशू करते हैं تو وہ شیئر جو خریدتے ہیں انہیں شیئر ہولڈر کہا جاتا ہے، اور وہی شیئر ہولڈر بیسیکلی ایک کمپنی کے ایک یونٹ کے مالک ہوا کرتے ہیں۔ دوسرا ہے ایشو آف ڈیبنچرس۔ ہم ڈیبنچرس ایشو کرتے ہیں تو ان ڈیبنچر ہولڈرس کو ہم کیا دیتے ہیں، ہم ان کو کچھ انٹرسٹ، فکسڈ انٹرسٹ ان کو دیا جاتا ہے۔ دیز آر نون ایز ڈیبنچرس۔ لونز فرام فائنانشیل انسٹرومنٹس، ان کو بھی انٹرسٹ پر ہم لونز لیتے ہیں۔ لونز فرام کمرشل بینکس، اس کو بھی انٹرسٹ پر لونز لیے جاتے ہیں۔ یا پبلک ڈپازٹس جو ہوتے ہیں ان سے بھی ہم استفادہ کرتے ہیں، وہ بھی انٹرسٹ پر، اور ریٹینشن آف پروفٹ جو ہے یعنی لاسٹ ایئر کا پروفٹ ہمیں ہے اس کو ریٹین کرتے ہیں، تو وہ بھی ہمارے لیے ایک لون بن جاتا ہے۔ تو سو دیز آر دا ڈفرنٹ ٹائپس آف سورسز فار آور ٹرم لونز. So I think this is enough for today. Thanks.